Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com First Look Review Highlights. This short video is a quick overview of the current Model P Smart Pizza Oven that briefly points out a few noteworthy features which are detailed in our written review. You can read our thorough written review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. The current Model P Indoor-Outdoor Pizza Oven. Nicely designed, with attractive cosmetics, slide-out rack, 2 burners on top, and 2 on the bottom. Power it on. Then select what kind of pizza you want. 8 different modes. Detroit style is the newest one that was just added. Push the dial in, then it preheats. You can see the set temperature is 700 and the actual temperature is 32. The top graphite burners light up. They turn off when you open the oven. 2 more burners are under the pizza stone. All in all, a nice pizza oven. The only thing we don't like is that you cannot just turn it on and set the actual temperature range you want. You have to use their preset cooking modes, which have limited ranges. It fits up to a 12-inch pizza, and it makes a pretty nice pie. Gets up to 850 degrees, which is fantastic. It's also indoor-outdoor, weighs about 37 pounds, so it's pretty portable. This wireless smart oven has an app, but does not allow complete remote operation. For example, you must power on the oven by manually pressing the power button on the unit, an Underwriters Laboratory requirement for safety certification. Bottom line, it makes a very nice pizza. Easy to use, plugs into any standard wall outlet, portable, even heating, fast heating. The current Model P Pizza Oven. Be sure to read our complete written review because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.